Yeah, so let me see where I am. So we're going to go over, do you use dry amendments or are you only using liquid additives? First off, you can use both, but again, I don't, do you know what, let's do this. Let's go. Chuck, we're going to go on a field trip.
Oh, here we go.
We're going to go on a field trip, Chuck.
Permission slips, everybody.
Get your permission slip signed. We're going to
get your bag lunch.
Hygrozyme website. All right? Get your buddy. Grab a partner.
Your accountability buddy.
Get your accountability buddy. We're going on a form. We're going on a product search. Oh, okay. This is North America's #1 selling. It's always weird when they say North America because there's only one. You know what I mean? Like, drives me bonkers. Hygrozyme is a powerful blend. I mean, it couldn't not be powerful. We did a mild to low spicy. A meager.
I love that word.
But listen, what we've done is we charge you a little less.
Yes.
It's a powerful blend of concentrated beneficial enzymes that work. Chuck, how do they work? How does everything work? Synergistically. You know what I mean? It's like such a corporate word. It works synergistically to ensure plants achieve their full genetic potential. It provides a cleaner root zone by accelerating the breakdown of dead root matter and unlocking essential nutrients for your plant. Now, here's the question. Does Hygrozyme unlock essential nutrients for your plant by breaking down the root zone? Does it come inside Hygrozyme? It says unlocking essential nutrients for, what does unlocking essential nutrients? Now I think what they're talking about is it breaks it down and it unlocks whatever the soil was to ensure plants achieve their full genetic potential. It provides a cleaner root zone by accelerating the breakdown of dead root matter. So we're talking about is like a little facial, a little sandblast, right? So it takes off the microbes too. So this works similar to microbes, but instead of having microbes as a beneficial, this is a face scuff. It's a little hydrogen peroxide dermatone. It's a little butthole bleaching. There he is. It's root water. What do you call it? Not root butthole bleaching.
Anal bleach?
Yeah, but it bleaches your roots. That's what it says. It whitens your roots. You know what I mean? You get a cleaner root zone. So it bleaches them. It root bleaches them. That's what we're going to call it.
So it takes a root that's dead and it just dissolves it down? Is that what it's saying?
To me, it feels like it says it provides a cleaner root zone by accelerating the breakdown of dead root matter. I would assume that's the outer surface of the root. The outer surface of the root.
Right.
So what we're talking about here is this product, Hygrozyme.
Like lizard skin.
Yes, like lizard skin.
And it peels.
Yeah, like the snake sheds, molts. Yeah, so the snake molts. So this would be like licking the molt off of you, off the snake. So it would break down that outer layer rather than the snake rubbing up against stuff to pull it off. Okay? So,
amazing.
You can add microbes to your root zone, and what are the benefits? The microbes live on the root, and they tend to the root. Microbes tend to the root. They live on and protect the root because microbes take 1 unit of sugar where Hygrozyme dissolves the sugar. Remember, what's the root made of? Starch. What's starch? Sugar, packaged for long-term storage. That's why it goes starch, sugar, alcohol. That's the breakdown pathway. Cows can eat starch. Horses can eat starch. We have to cook potatoes. A soft peach has less starch. The starch has been broken down more than a hard peach. A hard peach like an apple, it doesn't work. Okay, So starch, sugar, alcohol pathway. The mag sulfur, the sulfur and the mag sulfur that started this question, the sulfur is part of the starch, sugar, alcohol pathway as part of your plant finishing. That's why at the end you give your plant mag sulfur a week before she finishes, because she wants the sulfur as part of the starch, sugar, alcohol pathway to make the sugars available for the plant rather than have them stored for next year. Now, because the plant is storing it for next year, you're just going to throw the dirt out. You know what you're going to do? You're going to put them in bags in the back of your fucking car. You're going to take them somewhere and you're going to throw them out right at the edge of the desert. So when somebody in their Jeep is like goes 20 feet off the edge, there's like, you know what I mean? Like 20 plants with bags of soil.
Oh,
They
no,
did
I've
it.
never done that.
I've never
No.
done that. They
No.
did it. Somebody did it to us across the street from the store in the pooping fields. Remember that?
I wasn't
Remember a couple years ago they did it.
I wasn't here.
Yes, they were. They dropped.
ago. I've never
It was years ago, Chuck. It was here because we were taking the dogs walk through there for years and years. Dozer.
Those are.
So the question is, if you add microbes, and we just review what happens now. If you add microbes, they live on and protect the root. They scuff the root and use that energy for sugar to break down organic nutrients. Organics are unavailable to the plant until acted upon by a biological life form, aka the microbe. So the microbe breaks it down, and it breaks it down in such a way that it is already bioavailable to the plant. The plant has to do no further processing. So what would have taken the plant 1 1/2 unit of sugars to break down, absorb and break down, takes 1 unit of sugar, and it's a waste product that scuffed the slough off. Slough, S-L-O-U-G-H, it's the skin that comes. So the slough. And no, it didn't want it anyway. So Hygrozyme cleans the roots. But where's the benefit from that beyond clean roots? Okay, clean roots grow better. Okay, microbes clean the roots. They also prepare the nutrients. They also can extend the reach of the root because it goes root, microbe, nutrient. The microbe grabs the nutrient and passes it back. And then the final thing is, when the microbe dies, the plant absorbs the microbe. I can't imagine why you would ever be doing this when you should be adding like great white microbes. I can't imagine why you would ever use a Hygrozyme instead of a microbe. It's once you understand this, what this does, it's a powerful blend of concentrated beneficial enzymes that help plants grow better. The ingredients are specifically designed to work at their maximum strength in the optimal hydroponic pH and temperature range. Oh, okay. All right. I've never heard that one before. Hygrozyme versus competitors. As the leader in the enzyme product market, we want to make sure that you know what you're looking for in an enzyme product. Read the 4 questions to ask before investing in an enzyme formula. They should be listed. Look for the breakdown dead root matter claim. The tissue test. How long does it take to fill up tissue? The simple test shows if the right enzymes are the product too. Try the test at home by placing tissue in the cup of enzyme, root temperature. Make sure it's registered as an enzyme. Okay, those are real concerns. So let's say that those are real concerns. Okay, how many other companies out there do you think are going to compete? I mean, there's got to be some. So what they're saying is, okay, here's what I hear. I always tell you, try to juice the information from it. What else can we deduce? So here's what I feel I can deduce from this nonsense. What I feel I can deduce from this nonsense is this, an enzyme product comparison. When investing in enzyme products, it is important to know the enzyme formula contains the right enzymes to improve your indoor-outdoor. Here's what you need to compare. Okay, now, let's just say that Hygrozyme is so fucking magical, so magical, that nobody has ever seen anything like it before, okay? So now Hygrozyme is on the market. Farmers start to use it. All the farmers start to use it. Hygrozyme becomes White Stallion and unites the planet. My question is if Hygrozyme, Chuck, that was a Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure reference. Anyway, so Hygrozyme, somebody takes it to a lab and duplicates it and sells, you know what I mean? Sells the same product somewhere else. So we can assume that there are very few products that can maintain a 100% proprietary. I mean, look at what Monsanto does with it. It's a real problem. So what I'm suggesting is that, let's say one other product met this criteria. As long as you meet this criteria, then you are equal to Hygrozyme. Therefore, Hygrozyme is not neither exclusive nor the only product. You know what I mean? There is no, it is just a product. Hang on one sec. It is just a product. And if Hygrozyme can be the same as another product, then all Hygrozyme can really say is, enzymes create this growth. Here are some of those. It's not Hygrozyme.